Finding the right easel can make a huge difference in your comfort and the quality of your artwork. Many artists struggle with wobbly or impractical stands that limit their creativity. Luckily, there are plenty of options designed to fit different styles and needs, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional. In this video, I'll be showcasing the 5 best easels for artists and helping you decide which one suits your needs best. If you'd like to check the current prices or purchase any of these easels, I've included links in the video description and the first comment for easy access. Let's start with the Meeden SB122 easel, a classic A-frame wooden field easel that perfectly blends elegance and functionality. Designed for stability and durability, this easel is easy to assemble and even includes a step-by-step video to guide you through the process. Crafted from premium beechwood, it features brass-plated adjustable fittings, adding both strength and a sophisticated touch. One of its standout features is the pivoting canvas holder, allowing you to switch between vertical and horizontal angles effortlessly, making it perfect for different painting techniques. This easel is an excellent choice for outdoor artists, whether you're sketching, working with watercolors, or creating oil paintings. Its foldable design also makes it great for indoor use, letting you store it easily at home or in your studio. Plus, it's lightweight and portable, folding down compactly to fit inside the included durable carrying bag for easy transportation. A truly versatile easel, it's compatible with acrylic, oil, and watercolor painting, ensuring a stable and secure setup for your creative sessions. It also comes with a 100% satisfaction guarantee and a 1-year warranty, giving you peace of mind with every use. If you're looking for a high-quality, adaptable, and convenient easel, the Meeden SB122 is a fantastic option. With its elegant yet practical design, it accommodates various artistic styles, helping you fully enjoy your creative journey. Next up, we have the VISWIN Easel, a premium all-in-one painting kit that gives you everything you need to start creating right away. This versatile 3-in-1 set is perfect for exploring acrylic, oil, and watercolor techniques. It comes packed with 96 vibrant paints, 30 high-quality brushes, sturdy wooden and aluminum easels with a carrying bag, 8 canvases, 3 premium sketch pads, 6 palette knives, and more. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned artist, this kit provides everything to unleash your creativity. Every detail of this kit showcases superior craftsmanship and premium quality. The non-toxic, richly pigmented paints offer excellent coverage and smooth blending. The ergonomic brushes allow for both fine details and broad strokes with ease. The acid-free cotton canvases provide a smooth, durable surface, while the sturdy palette knives and top-quality easels ensure long-lasting use. Everything in this set is designed to enhance your painting experience. Beyond the extensive range of supplies, this kit also includes canvas panels, stretched canvases, and painting pads, giving you plenty of space to experiment and create. Each tool is specifically chosen to support all 3 painting techniques, delivering both quality and quantity without compromise. It's an amazing gift idea for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. This complete painting set inspires artistic expression and guarantees hours of creative enjoyment, making it perfect for both professionals and hobbyists alike. Just a reminder, you can find all the purchase links with updated prices in the video description and the first comment. Let's continue with the RRFTOK 66S easel, a solid and reliable choice for artists looking for stability and performance while painting. Made from durable aluminum, this easel is both lightweight and sturdy, offering better portability and strength compared to traditional materials. Plus, the spring-loaded clamp at the top securely holds your canvas in place, preventing any accidental slips while you work. One of its standout features is its adjustable height, ranging from 17 inches to 66 inches, making it versatile enough for use on the floor or a tabletop. Whether you prefer painting standing or sitting, this easel adapts to your needs. When you're done, it folds down to just 21 inches, making it easy to store and transport. It also features convenient rotating knobs that allow you to quickly adjust the height and angle for maximum comfort. This easel supports canvases up to 36 inches high and 1.2 inches deep, with a maximum weight capacity of 10 pounds, ensuring a stable and secure hold for your artwork. Its versatile design makes it ideal for both indoor and outdoor painting, as well as art displays. With its lightweight frame, sturdy build, and adjustable features, this easel is a great option for artists of all skill levels. If you're looking for a combination of convenience and functionality, this easel is definitely worth considering. Now let's move on to the Meeden BXTZ 76 easel, a luxury acrylic painting kit designed for those who are truly passionate about art. This all-in-one set not only delivers top-notch quality, but also combines convenience and style. It includes a French-style easel, made from premium German beechwood, known for its strength and durability. Plus, it arrives pre-assembled and ready to use, making it perfect for outdoor painting or plein air techniques. With plenty of storage space, it allows you to keep all your art supplies neatly organized. This kit also comes with 12 vibrant acrylic paints, each in a 3.4-ounce bottle, offering rich pigmentation and a non-toxic formula. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, these paints are safe and easy to use. Additionally, the set includes canvas frames, panel boards, and high-quality nylon brushes, ensuring you have everything needed to start creating right away. Beyond functionality, this kit makes a fantastic gift. It's an excellent choice for beginners building their first art studio or for growing artists looking for high-quality materials. Its professional and elegant design enhances the painting experience, making every creative session even more enjoyable. To top it off, the set comes with a 1-year satisfaction guarantee, showcasing the brand's confidence in its quality. This is more than just a painting kit. It's an investment in creativity, an invitation to explore art with all the essentials at your fingertips. If you're ready to dive into the world of painting, this is a choice you won't regret. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Finally, we present the MIRATUSO Easel, a lightweight yet sturdy tabletop easel designed for artists who need versatility in their creative process. It easily transforms into a functional art easel, and its removable internal partition allows for organized storage of paints, brushes, and other tools. This makes it a perfect choice for those who want a practical and efficient workspace. Crafted from high-quality beechwood, this easel is hand-sanded for a smooth, textured finish. It also features galvanized hardware accessories that prevent rust, ensuring long-lasting durability. Designed for a wide range of users, this easel functions as both a studio easel and a drawing box. Whether you're a beginner, a child, or a professional artist, you'll find its multiple features incredibly useful. When folded, it measures 14.5 inches long, 10.5 inches wide, and 3.5 inches high, making it compact and easy to store. It can hold canvases up to 20 inches tall and includes rubber feet to protect table surfaces, along with rounded corners for added safety and comfort. Ideal for art studios, painting classes, or artists on the go, this easel is perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Plus, it makes a fantastic gift for kids, parents, or friends who love expressing themselves through art. That's a wrap for today. Let us know if we helped you find the perfect easel, or if there's another easel you'd like to see in our next top list. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. If you want more info or the latest prices for each product, make sure to check out the links in the video description and the first comment. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.